Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some experiment I've made where I restored one side of a custom MetaHuman and I kept the other side all baked. So we have one side which is the original MetaHuman and one side which is a custom MetaHuman, and I've made this just so we can see how expressions work between the two of them, right? So we can see that the expression kind of work pretty good. Mouth has been aligned on both sides, so we don't get deformation like we get on the forehead. So that's why we aligned it. So we have like one piece mouth, and as you can see, it works pretty good. The eyes work good on both sides. The nose, some nose expressions here, they look pretty good, and it seems that our custom side works pretty much as intended, right? Very similar with the other side. Yeah, it works pretty good. So we've achieved this result by restoring one side with the Mesh Morpher's restore tool, and moving aligning it to the other side with our custom side using transform tool. So we have restore. Let me create. So we have restore tool, right? And we've selected left side and restored it. And we also have transform tool, which allow us to move mesh vertices where we want to place them where we want, right? So overall, this is a success, I think. The experiment looks good. The expressions look kind of similar. And yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up. I just wanted to show you this cool stuff, and see you around. Bye.